No motor vehicles. Let's go. Enzo, this time, yeah, we got to hit it as fast as we can. Oh, shit. Yo, 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 yo. The guys leave at 5 minutes away.
Really?
Yeah.
Woo!
Active today, bro. Tell them what's going on. Where are we about to go?
In French or English?
Well, you could say it
Both.
in France.
Les gars, c'est simple, ça fait même pas 2 jours que je suis là, ils m'ont trop...
So basically what he's trying to say is, he's getting a sir on today. We're 5 minutes around the corner from it. He's just getting the squalor and the dosh out at Wells Fargo, getting his bike. And then are we active? Are we outside?
Yeah, we're outside tonight.
Connor and that are still in bed, sleeping. Most of the cars over here as well, they're auto. I got told, alright, apparently all the Americans are stupid and just don't know how to drive stick.
Is
that true?
Fact, yeah. Fact.
See, I know how to drive stick, but I don't have a stick license. How dumb is this as well? Look, you gotta stop at stop signs, even though I can clearly see there's nothing coming. The power doesn't feel like mine because it's got 65%.
Rider tested and approved.
Yeah, it's just up to you what you wanna do. Try 3,000. 500.
I'm already given $200 off of what I want for it. And you won't find one in this good a shape that price.
I guarantee as soon as you move the bars, put the brakes down a bit, yeah, it will feel better. You just gotta adjust it to how you like it. How long has this been listed up for?
I just listed it. You don't know how many calls I got off of this.
I feel like I even
Crazy.
tried to buy this one a couple weeks ago.
2 days, I think. 2 days.
Oh no, it's definitely a different one then. New bike! Hey! Little Harry parks a little bit close to little things. Yeah, mate. Yeah, ours are on like the same percent as well right now. I need to charge mine up.
It's the...
Yeah. Welcome to brand new thing.
You got front brakes too.
Yeah, but I swept this one here. You need to flip this upside down.
Yes. Try.
That was good.
I just haven't taken the battery out yet.
Yeah, no, we need. That's what I was gonna do. We need to see what amp this bit is.
Yeah. What are we saying? 38?
38.
36.
What are you saying? What are you saying? 34?
40.
34.
30. That's still good.
Who said 34? No, you told him to say 34.
I said 38.
It's Bluetooth.
No, what has happened? Bro, stop! We just come here to ride, yeah. And Con ain't even got a pump to pump the tire up. Alright, well we need to make it to a gas station then. Yo. Oh! Little first timer, that's alright. Obviously I don't really do jumps too much, more like... Oh shit! Oh no, I like that, I like that. Bro, the back of my bike sounds unhealthy, look. Look at that. Nah, these guys ain't ready for me now though. I've evolved, I've got much better on this bike. Whoa, look at the nose on that thing. Oh, see that? You know, if I had enough space, I would have gone. I don't know what Enzo's doing. I need to get my tire fixed, I like skidding. Oh, oh! I thought that was gonna be a massive puddle. Pass hook. Apparently Con's here somewhere. Oh, he ain't here yet. Just try to do a circle 2 feet on. Oh, easy, easy. You know you got a load of red shit on you. Look at this. Your whole side is red.
Wipe it off.
I'm not wiping that off.
Bro, wipe it off.
Get in the traffic with me. Oh no, he's flying. man jumping, that is crazy. Oh no, that didn't sound good. Ah, good. Oh, what was that? Give a quick floor touch for you guys. And land it. Oh. Bow. So I literally learned floor touch the other day. I was thinking about trying it the other week and I was thinking there's no way, like I can't even really do it on my pedal bike no more. But it's actually easier on this. Oh. Round the corner, I'm basically setting myself challenges right now. There. Oh. Oh, oh. And he stayed on the seat. Where are you taking us?
Right.
Wait, how far?
5 minutes.
5 minutes, everything in it. Everything's 5 minutes with this guy. How long's food? 5 minutes. Let me chop it up for 5 minutes then. Woo! Alright. Alright. No motor vehicles. Let's go. Oh, oh no, nasty. Why have you brought us here? We're straight alligator hunting right now. Ty's hungry for one of them. He wants to find that bad. How bad do you want to find an alligator on a scale of 1 to 10? 10. There we go. Not even hesitating. Oh no. Oh no. Hello. Don't want to nearly hit another dog again. Putain la mer, putain la mer. People probably look at this and think like, what the? Oh! Don't drop the wheel. Oh, oh, oh! Enzo, get out of the way! Hey. I'm getting con. Told you I'm getting con. What's that?
Bro, I do shit. Look what's coming.
Let me see.
Fuck! Nique ta mère la pute! Sale bâtard, va.
Leaky! Remember that? Oh yeah. Ah! Con's really trying to get me back. Oh! Oh no, that's sick. No. Ah, I nearly crashed. Hey, that's good. That's a good little thing there. Yo, no, that looks pretty neat down there. Oh my god. Hey, this is too skilled for you guys. Oh, shit. And me. Oh, yo. I can bend this back and just chill on it. Oh, let's race around this bitch. Enzo, you was flying.
Hey, again.
I'm trying to get in front of Enzo. Ouch, that actually hurt. 3, 2, 1, go. That's not even the way we came. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh shit! Never! Oh! I nearly rit off! You see me nearly die?
I see everything.
Oh, bro, that is too funny.
Again.
Again is crazy, what the fuck? Alright, let's go. Let's go. shit.
Bro, you're going too fast. I can't stop.
Bro, my belly's. Yo, 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 yo.
I told you.
Alright, Enzo, this time, yeah, we gotta hit it as fast as we can.
My battery is done, bro. I'm like every time in 62.